This is a video product review of the Angolbiz Large Loofah. This is used for baths, for showers. It is a sponge. It comes in a 3-pack. It is a warm gray color. These are great for your skin. They exfoliate dirt easily. They help when you got the soap in your hands and you pour it on the loofah. It creates lots of suds. It's very easy to clean your body, remove dead skin, remove dead skin cells. It's much better than a washcloth. Your skin will feel great. You can purchase this on Amazon for an incredibly good price. It's colorful. It's a great size. It's very full. Fills your whole hand. So this is great for adults or for other people in the family. As I said, it removes dead skin, it removes germs, it removes oil, it removes the dirt from your skin and makes it much healthier. Much better than sponges, much better than washcloths. Click on the affiliate link by the Angolbiz Loofah. It's an extra large size. Its mesh is for women, it is for men, it is for anybody in the family.